Here is the question from GATE 2013 from Fluid Mechanics. In this question, it is given that a hinge gate of length 5 meter inclined at 30 degree with the horizontal with water mass on the left is shown in the figure below. This is the corresponding figure. Density of the water is 1000 kg per cubic meter. The minimum mass of the gate in kg per unit width perpendicular to the plane of the paper required to keep it closed is option A 5000, option B 6600, option C 7546, option D is 9623. So let's solve this question. Solution of this question is in the question it is given that B is equal to 1 meter. B is equal to 1 meter. Next, D is equal to 5 meter and rho theta equal to 30 degree, rho equal to 1000 kg per cubic meter. Now the moment of inertia about xx about its NA parallel to hinge, NA parallel to hinge will be equal to Ixx, that is equal to BD cube divided by 12. If we put the value of V and D here, so value of as we are seeing here, B is given as 1 and D is given as 5, so 1 into 5 cube divided by 12, so which will be equal to 10.4167 meter to the power 4. Now we will find the center of the gravity of the gate. The center of gravity of gate will be equal to x bar is equal to 5 divided by 2 sin 30 degree, because from this figure the middle point of this is equal to, if total length equal to 5, then half length will be 5 divided by 2 and the projection of this half length will be sin 5 divided by 2 sin 30 degree, as the angle is given as 30 degree. So 5 divided by 2 sin 30 degree, if we calculate its value, then it will be 1.25 meter. Now center of pressure is given by center of pressure xp bar is given by, as we know, equation of xp bar is equal to x bar plus I sin square theta divided by a x bar. So if you put the value of x bar and I sin theta and a x bar, then we will get that will be equal to 1.25 plus 10 into 10.4167 into sin square 30 degree divided by 5 into 1, because 5 into 1 length breadth into height, that is equal to area. and it is again multiplied by x bar, and as we know the x bar value of x bar is 1.25. so if you calculate this equation, after calculating, the value of xp will be 1.667. now the hydrostatic force will act normal to the plane of the gate. The hydrostatic force will act normal to the plane of the gate. Normal to the plane of gate. Taking moments of the hydrostatic force. So taking moments of hydrostatic force and weight of the gate. Weight of the gate, which implies that, so moment of weight will be equal to mg multiplied by d divided by 2 sine d divided by 2 cos theta. So this is the moment for weight, and it will be equal to moment of a hydrostatic force. The moment of a hydrostatic force is equal to rho g x bar a multiplied by xp bar divided by sine theta. So from this equation we can find m, which is equal to, mass will be equal to 2 rho g x bar a xp bar divided by d sine theta cos theta divided by d sine theta cos theta. If we put all the values of the quantity, then it will provide us 2 into 1000 into 9.81 into 1.25 into 5 into 1 into 1.667 divided by 5 into sine 30 degree into cos 30 degree. So if you calculate the value of this quantity, then our required value for mass m will be equal to 9624.428 kg. Now our option is given as 6600, 7546 and 9623. So our option is approximately matches to the option D. So our option D is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer.